In this video, I'll show you how to share a live Excel sheet in Microsoft Teams. If by live, you mean an Excel file that other people can open and edit with you in real time, Teams supports that through OneDrive or SharePoint storage and Excel co-authoring. Microsoft says files shared in Teams can be collaborated on directly, and Excel workbooks stored in OneDrive or SharePoint can be co-authored by multiple people at the same time. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel where you want to share the Excel file. If the workbook is already saved on your computer, you can upload it into Teams. In a channel, open the Shared tab at the top, click Upload, then choose your Excel file. Microsoft notes that files uploaded to a channel are stored in the Teams SharePoint site, which makes them available for collaboration. If you want to share the file in a chat instead, open the chat, click the File Attachment option under the message box and select the Excel workbook from your device, recent files, or cloud storage. Microsoft says files shared in chat are stored in OneDrive and shared with the people in that conversation. That is what makes live collaboration possible without emailing different versions back and forth. Once the file is uploaded or already available in Teams, open it and make sure the sharing permissions allow other people to edit it. In many cases, you can hover over the file, click Share, add the names or email addresses of the people you want, and keep the permissions set to allow editing. Microsoft's Excel sharing guidance says you can choose permissions, add people, and send the link so others can work in the workbook with you. After that, your team members can open the same workbook in Teams, Excel for the web, or the desktop Excel app, depending on what they use. Microsoft says once the workbook is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint and shared properly, multiple people can co-author it at the same time and see updates appear as everyone works. There is also another option if you want to share a live Excel sheet during a meeting. Microsoft says Teams supports Excel Live in meetings, which lets people collaborate on an Excel file directly inside the Teams meeting window. To do that, join the meeting, click Share, and then choose the Excel file you want to present. That is especially useful when you want everyone to review or edit the spreadsheet together while you talk through it live. So the basic idea is simple. Upload the Excel file to Teams, share it with edit access, and let everyone open the same workbook so you can collaborate in real time. And if you're in a meeting, you can also use Excel Live for live collaboration during the call. That's how to share a live Excel sheet in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.